Today we're fishing this crazy pond that we found right off the side of a highway. We're starting off with the chop block.
No cast yet.
I'm going to cast, buddy. It will be deep. You'll be fine.
So you got your fish. I mean, because I make my cast.
All right. Wow.
God, it's hot.
I know. Oh my gosh, look right there. Oh, wow. Something just nipped it, I think.
Okay. First cast. It's surprising, so thin.
I know.
Like the big one.
Oh, that's a bass. First cast. Go up. I didn't even know that was a fish. On the chop block. First bass of the day. Oh shoot. We good? There it goes.
Is that a wacky again?
I would. Apparently catching one first cast is bad luck. I'm gonna cook this.
What? Why?
I don't know.
Who's saying it's bad luck?
Gonna fish. Kabam. Alright, decided doesn't seem very deep over here. So I think we're gonna keep moving along. Because over there is way deeper, I'm pretty sure. Hopefully we can catch an aggressive like 4-pounder.
Hopefully we can catch an aggressive 10-pounder.
Yeah, I like that even more. Yay! And I scared him off. He's just sitting there. Same fish as last time too, I think. What in the heck? Bro, they're just sitting right on across like the front of these lily pads. I can't get them. You good? There we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I need you for landing. That might be a PB. I'm trying to. It's pulling out some really tight drag. All right, here it comes. I'm just gonna try to tire him out as much as possible. Keep him out of there. Yeah, that's not quite. You seem pretty tired. Did you see him hit it? Wow. We just caught this 4.6 pounder on the chop block back there. Quite the nice bass. Quite the fight too. Let's release the bass. Off you go.
Do you remember that fish?
Yeah, I do. It's like the first fish I've ever seen on a glide bait. Now all I am doing is throwing glide baits. Oh, he ripped out. There's no more eyes on this thing. Oh my gosh. How big is that? I turned for a second. Oh, that might be bigger than you think. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in.
I caught this like 2 pounder on the XPS glide bait. Get the release.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.